So, what this means, what do you guys think this means about this? I mean, that, we just said it, basically. So if you have two events that are mutually exclusive, all right, let me give you a visual. You guys might have seen, I don't know if you've ever seen Venn diagrams. So what a Venn diagram is, in this case, here's rocks. Here's all the rocks in the world. And here's all the caterpillars. And of course, they don't overlap. Because there's no caterpillars that are also rocks that I've seen yet. Right? So what's the probability of rock and caterpillar? 0. I can't be doing that. Right? That doesn't mean rock here and caterpillar there. This is, if I pick one thing up from the ground, let's probably say rock and a caterpillar at the same time. 0% chance. There's no overlap. Whereas if I had, what do you got, Jeff? A is dog, and B is my pet. All right, so let's say I have several pets in my house. So obviously, here's all the dogs in the world. How would I draw my pets? It would be like that. So let's say I have a horse, and I have a cat, and I have a rabbit, and I have a rockapillar, and I have a and I have a dog. So there's overlap there, isn't there? You see what I'm saying? So if somebody picked an animal, and they said, "What's probably I picked a dog, and it's one of my pets," then that's not going to equal 0%. I don't know what's going to equal. We don't have enough information to know what the hell that's going to equal, right? I just randomly pick an animal off the face of the earth, which probably is a dog, and it's a pet of mine. That's not 0 because there exists a pet of mine that is also a dog. I like it. So if I ask you, being a student and being, let's see, how do I say this? Oh, let me say that, guys. A equals being a gross one student. B equals B being a Cuimaca high school student. Are those mutually exclusive? Some of you guys might be the intersection. Everybody take Cuimaca classes? None of you guys? Everybody? Alright. So some students, so here's all Grossmont students, here's all Cuimaca students. There will be overlap, of course. Right? We're one district, we're supposed to be. A lot of our courses don't really quite align, but do what you can. Right? Does that make sense? So there will be some problems in the book. We'll give you a couple situations and say, are these mutually exclusive? And what you think is, could there be somebody or something that meets both of these? And if so, they're not mutually exclusive. I like it. I like it. Cool. All right. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, good. All right. So that's come up there. Sweet. Just to point out, they have a whole section devoted to these contingency tables. This is the table we made earlier. The man, woman, and the yes, no, maybe. Contingency tables is what those are called. There's a whole section about tree and Venn diagrams that kicks ass. I think that's about it. Yeah, cool. I like it. All right. That's plenty for today. Yeah, nice and early. So if you guys have any lingering questions on your tests, you can come ask me. You could get it done. This one.